Hey guys, and welcome back to Gravey's Brewery with me, Goes Gravey. It's been a while since I've said that, isn't it, guys? Right, guys, well, for this one, as you can see, a bit late in the day here in the UK. Well, 6:30 in the evening, but I'm finally getting around to putting on a brew. And as you can see from the title, I'm brewing up a fairly simple braggot. Those of you in the know, you don't need me to tell you what a braggot is. For everyone else, a braggot is a beer which is brewed as a beer, but as you can see just there, it has the additional ingredient of honey. Now, to show you the rest of the ingredients, recipe will be down in the description, but I'm going to show you this anyway. This is just a simple beer that I'm brewing up, or braggot that I'm brewing up. There's a kilo of Otter pale malt. The only hop that's going to be in this, which is Challenger. There's the honey, just I guess a local honey that I purchased from a supermarket just about 5 minutes from me. And I'm going to be experimenting a little bit because to ferment this, I'm using Mangrove Jack's Mead yeast. I know, probably not the best of yeasts to try and brew a beer with, but it's the only yeast I've got, hence experiment. Anyway, as I said, guys, this is just a quick one. Recipes down there in the description. Anybody that's brewed a braggot before, let me know what you think. Is there anything I can change about it very quick? Because this has the mash here as a it's only been on for about 5-10 minutes, but very quickly, guys, if you can give me any ideas, I'd be very appreciated. I swear I haven't had a drink today, guys. Anyway, again, very quick one, so that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time, from Gravey's Brewery, this has been Goes Gravey. I'll see you later. Cheers.